Okay, this is part two on landscaping. A lot of awkward postures, lifting and twisting with landscaping. And have you ever done it for a job or just around the house briefly with your parents or on your own on weekends? It can really do a number on your back and stuff in a hurry. Just look at some of these pictures. Uh, Building walls and all that sort of stuff. Bending over, lifting heavy rocks and stuff. The shoveling, the twisting, awkward postures with the shoveling, wheelbarrowing, barreling, the bricks, laying down brick walls and pathways can be really hard on your body. Vibration, tool use, all can lead to bad things ergonomically. Some suggestions, ideas, solutions, ergonomic ideas. Hole diggers versus shovels, carts and caddies to kind of haul things around. Handles on the shafts can make it easier on your bodies, giving you leverage. Stools and knee pads can be invaluable. Job rotation, so you're not doing one thing all day long. You're giving certain parts of your body a break, using different joints, changing positions frequently. These sound like very common sense things, but they can make a big difference. And as an OT, a big part of your job as an OT is to see these common sense things and to educate people about that. Just move from this position to that position, give part of your body a break, and kind of moving back and forth. Planting, pruning, and clearing kind of tips. Replacing older chainsaws with new chainsaws featuring less vibration. Vibration is a big issue ergonomically, getting into that nutrient pathway stuff, leads to all kinds of compromised problems with the nutrient pathway flow. Replacing hand saws with mechanized brush cutters, maintaining, sharpening tools, we've talked about that. Motorized hedge clippers, pneumatic shears, again, less vibration. Shoulder straps, again, a simple thing can make a big difference. Vibration gloves can make a big difference. The shaft on the rake handles, we talked about that. Lawns tools, knee pads, rotation. Four-wheeled wheelbarrows are very expensive, but they can make a big difference, easing the load on your back, your low back. Wall building, a lot of stuff going on with wall building, people beating up their bodies. Moving stones around, using two workers, limiting the size of the stones, mechanized material movers, motorized tillers to breaking up the soil, using self-standing, non-vibration soil compactors. There's this resource that's in the module that's a good thing to reference and to, again, hang on to in case you run into workers that are beating their bodies up, to give them some tips. It's an OSHA thing, and it breaks down all these different jobs and talks about what's so hazardous about it, ergonomic-wise, and it gives you tips. A lot of what we talked about, some more stuff in there, kind of in depth. So keep this in mind, and this may come in handy around the final exam. If there's a case around landscaping, and if you're dealing with landscaping with your job analysis, some of you are, I know. Go to this thing, it can help you with that. So that is the landscaping one. Let's see if we can close this off somehow.